Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I want to check in for my flight.
Sure. May I have your passport, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, I'm checking your details.
Great.
What is your destination?
I'm flying to London.
Perfect.
Is the flight on time?
Yes, the flight is on schedule.
That's good to hear.
Do you have any checked luggage?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your bag weighs 19 kilograms.
Is that okay?
Yes, it's within the limit.
Good.
Do you have any hand luggage?
Yes, this backpack.
That's fine.
Do I need to remove the laptop?
Yes, during security screening.
Okay, I will remember.
Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Let me check availability.
Sure.
You're lucky. We have one window seat left.
Wonderful.
Seat 21A is assigned to you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
How long is the flight?
Around 9 hours.
That's a long flight.
Yes, please stay hydrated.
I will.
Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Your boarding gate is gate 18.
Gate 18, right?
Yes, that's correct.
What time does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 10:30 a.m.
And the flight departs at 11:15 a.m.?
Yes, exactly.
Thank you for confirming.
No problem.
How far is gate 18 from here?
It's about a 5-minute walk.
That's convenient.
Yes, very close.
Do I need to fill out any extra forms?
Just your immigration form.
Where can I get it?
Near the security area.
Great. I'll fill it out.
Make sure to sign it.
Sure.
And keep your passport handy.
I will.
Do you have any liquids in your bag?
I have a water bottle.
You must empty it before security.
Okay.
Any perfumes or lotions?
Only a small one.
Keep it under 100 milliliters.
Yes, it is.
Perfect.
What about power banks?
Keep them in hand luggage.
Good to know.
Have you packed everything yourself?
Yes, I packed everything.
Did anyone give you items to carry?
No, no one.
Good.
Is my flight full today?
Yes, it's almost full.
Busy travel day?
Very busy.
I can tell.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, just me.
First time traveling?
First time flying alone.
Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Thank you.
Do you need wheelchair assistance?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Will I get food on the flight?
Yes, lunch will be served.
Nice.
You can also request extra water.
I will.
Do you have travel insurance?
Yes, I purchased it.
Good decision.
Are blankets available?
Yes, they are provided.
Great. Can I choose a meal type on the flight?
Yes, check the menu options.
Okay.
Are you carrying any food?
Just snacks.
That's fine.
Will there be movies on board?
Yes, plenty of choices.
Perfect.
Are you flying for business or vacation?
Vacation.
Nice.
I've been planning for months.
London is beautiful.
I'm excited to see it.
You'll enjoy it.
Thank you.
Do you know your baggage allowance?
23 kilograms, right?
Yes, correct.
Good to know.
Your bag is well within the limit.
Thanks.
Do you have your e-ticket?
Yes, on my phone.
Good.
Anything else I need to do?
Just go through security.
Okay.
And reach the gate on time.
I will.
Keep your boarding pass safe.
It's in my hand.
Good.
Where is security check?
Straight ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I take photos inside?
Yes, but not at immigration counters.
Understood.
Do you need directions to the restroom?
No, I'm okay.
All right.
How early should I be at the gate?
At least 20 minutes before boarding.
I'll make sure.
Good.
Thank you for all the help.
My pleasure.
You've been very kind.
I'm happy to assist.
This is my first long flight.
You'll be comfortable.
I hope so.
If you need anything, ask the cabin crew.
I will.
Don't forget your immigration form.
I won't.
Safe travels.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your trip.
I will try.
Have a wonderful journey.
Thank you.
Take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I'll head to security now.
Yes. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
I'm feeling less nervous now.
I'm glad to hear that.
You really helped.
That's my job.
I appreciate it.
Anytime.
See you.
See you.
I'll keep my documents ready.
Yes, always keep them handy.
Okay.
Have a safe flight.
Thank you again.
You're welcome.
I'm going now.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.